एंथनी डिसिलो फ्रॉम असोलना आंबेली. हांवें आतां आयकिलां काल कितें रोहन बाब खावटेन एक स्टेटमेंट केला that has sunburn किटोल येत म्हूण. दॅट मीन्स he has zeroed down on the venue. Of course, Vijay Bab Sardesai खबर नासलो हुंय that it was coming to South Goa, and he is so sure that it will not be here, it will be taken somewhere else. Agreed, maybe then overtly so नासतलें, but it was declared it was South Goa. It is documented actually. आता Vijay Bab Sardesai, I think, I am sure you are now confirmed that venue is confirmed, and that has come through the horse's mouth, your own friend outside the assembly Mutte Bashin Rohan Gaunde Baban. And then declare Jala. So now we expect Vijay Bab Sardesai no more to delve into saying I am neither for sunburn nor you are against for it. That means you are in between. So this looks like either you are doing the balancing act or you are trying to be neutral in that. And he fence sitter asata. So that shouldn't happen, because that gives the wrong signal to the people of Goa. Because we have a high respect for you now as a very tall leader in the opposition. दुसरें म्हळ्यार तूं म्हणटा लोकां नाक जाल्यार नाका. सो आतां लोकां नाक म्हणटा स्टेटमेंट आनी पिक्चर इज व्हेरी क्लियर इन ऑल द डिफरंट सेक्टर्स. जावन द सोशल मिडिया व्हिडियोज, कमेंट्स, outside the assembly, inside the assembly, press, media, मागीर तुगेले डिबेट्स म्हणाका, मागीर तुगेले पंचायत रेजोल्युशन म्हणाका. सो इन द होल ऑफ एटमॉस्फियर इज फिल्ड विथ नो टू सनबर्न. सो आई एम श्योर नाव दॅट यू गॉट द मेसेज that people are not worried. I'm sure you will come openly, not only with respect to a local, but we expect you to be vocal as well as practical, which we are sure you have that capacity to do it. So today, a lot we depend on that this project should be uprooted as early as possible, and to get support us on, it will go maybe even 1 month earlier. It will get uprooted, no doubt, because लोक उठल जाय तू स्टोरी काबार न्हू. सी 17 लोक रस्त्यार येतो जाय तू, म्हाका सीएमाची गरज ना न्हू रिक्वेस्ट करपाची. सो वी डोंट नीड आयदर MLAs or opposition or even tall leaders. लोक सगळो उठल जाले. सो सगळे सुद्दां लोकांचे घालप हें सारकें न्हू आमगेलें. वी ऑल्सो एक्सपेक्ट एज एन MLA, एज अ फादर, एज अ ब्रदर, एज अ सन, तुगे राय कितें which to get a clarity nothing. So I hope now that clarity will come from your side, and we request you to do such things. कित्या एक म्हणणी आहा, एक मेजाचे होई रीच मनीस बसताय आनी जेयताय, आनी मेजा पोंदा मेज पड दोन हाय जेवपाचें तो जनरल पब्लीक म्हजे भाशेन लोक, आमचे असो लोक. आतां तूं आमचे बाराबो आहा, तुझे भाशेन दुसरे MLA म्हणटाय आमचे बाराबो आहाय लोकां बरोबर. दॅट मीन्स तूंय मेजा पोंदा आहा, आनी तुजे भाशेन दुसरेय MLAs हे मेजा पोंदा आहाय. आनी हे रिच, फिल्दी रिच एंड पावरफूल एंड ऑर्गनायझर हे मेजाचेर बसून जेयताय. आतां हें जर तर पॉयजन हाटाय जाल्यार एकठांय जावन द रिच इन्फ्लुएन्सर एंड द पावरफूल एंड द ऑर्गनायझर, then it is for us, all of us, including all the MLAs who are under the table, should get up. Am utol hai. Am utol mutri te mes pottole. Unless थोडे आमचे बराबर MLA आहे ते हे ऑर्गनायझरा बरोबर बसून जेयता जाल्यार हांव नको. So let us give a crystal clear no. This is one thing. So once again, Adjota Vijay Bab, we do depend on you to expedite this sunburn to be uprooted from South Goa or Kittur. दूसरा पॉइंट ते मी पहिले गोवा कोताय सांगून ना ओपन घालूं ना. दे झिरोड डावन ऑन साऊथ गोवा, साऊथ डिस्ट्रिक्ट. तो सावथाचो लोक उठलो. That does not give them permission to go to North Goa or Bihar or Uttarakhand or Pakistan or Bangladesh. We are not doing that. आमकां साऊथ गोवा येत म्हणा साऊथ गोवा लोक उठलो. बट आतां किट्टल येत म्हणटा जाय तूं, दॅट मिन्स केपें कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सी जावं केपें तालुका किटलो लोकांक उठोवंक जाय. तूं उठाय, आमी तुजे बराबर आसतले. we will be there. But the voices has to ring from Kitol. कित्याक एक म्हणया फ्लायटाचेर अनाउन्समेंट करता In case of emergency, when the oxygen must come down, please harness the oxygen mask properly to your own mouth. Then only go to help your neighbor.
The oxygen flow. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and breathe normally. Make sure your own mask is placed correctly before assisting others. There are 8 emergency.
भाशेन कितोला लोकांनी हे मास्क तुम पयली घालाय तुम्ही आवाज करूय and my request to Elton D'Costa Bab and other leaders like Babu Kodekar, please request y'all to say that this Horshig, this poison or bomb, AMKA NAKA. Simple, no. It is not the responsibility of only Elton D'Costa. It is the responsibility of all the leaders, political as well as social now, activists now, or the people who have some sense of belongingness to Goa and who have the best of interest for the children of Goa. आता हे एल्टनाचे एकल्याचेर काम न्हय जावं सगळे MLAs including the opposition like Wenzibab Vegas, जावं Vijayabab Sardesai, जावं Yuribab Alemao, Cruz Silva and Elton D'Costa. A word of appreciation Cruz Silva because he is one of the first person to not to mince any words, no fence sitting, no balancing act, direct he said, knowingly what is Sunburn bringing along with it, he first from day one he said no. Assembly byland, Bitoyland, social media, sogla. So we want that type of commitment from all of you people, all the 20 MLAs of South Goa at least. Get this rooted from out. More specifically the MLAs of Kepe Taluka and to zero down MLA of Kepe constituency along with the Kitol. Because things are the panchayatini जावं, social media जावं, here कितें groundwork this keep on. So I want you all people to come out and stop this poison flowing through these places. Yuri Baba, तुका एक request करता. As an opposition leader, please do try to take all the MLAs of the opposition into confidence and let us put a collective fight instead of we fighting individual as a at least not on party levels individual it should be. We all have a right to fight, but let us to get a united fight we depend on you also. Maybe definitely you have to take people like Vijayabab Sardesai, Wenzibab Vegas, Cruz Silva, then Elton D'Costa and yourself. We can all come together and fight this menace. So we request, it is not just enough for people like y'all to only make statements. Awareness, people like us can do. But finally the fight has to be delivered to the people of Goa. And let us not, people also must come out clear as a father, as a son, as a brother, what you want. Do you want it or no? Once you have made a decision, you don't want it, then yes, people also are going to be with you. So Dev Bore Kuru, thank you very much.